Hi guys. We will talk about how to create a calculator application in Python. So this is one of the easiest Python program. I mean, basically this program creates a basic calculator application with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division operations. Now, if you will see, this program is great for learning how to use loops, functions, conditional statements, user inputs, and string formatting. Now let's jump onto the implementation part. Now our first function is this add operation. So what basically we are doing here is we have used this Python OS module to clear the screen after the user completes their calculation actions. Now we have this continue calc variable as y to check the user's input. Now here basically we are taking the input from the user, the num1 and num2, and using this input operation we are taking the user's input to do the operation, basically the addition operation. Here we are adding those values, and here in the while loop basically we are checking what the user has given as an input. If it is y, then we are proceeding with this calculation basically to check if the I mean if the user has given y as an input, then we are entering and we are adding those values. And if it is n, then we are breaking out of this while loop and we are exiting. Now similar logic has been used for subtraction and multiplication and division as well. So I mean these are very basic operations. Now if you will jump onto this calculator method, basically what we are doing over here is initially we are assigning this quit variable as false, so that we can enter into this operation, and this while loop is being used to display the menu to the user. I mean what all operations are available in our calculator program. Now if the user has given the choice as a, then we are calling this add method, and we will be doing the respective addition operation, and will return the result to the user. Similarly we have this choice as s for subtraction, multiplication, and division to do the respective calculation. And let's say user has given any kind of invalid input, then we can just do this, we can show that it is an invalid character. And this is how we will, using this logic, we will enter inside the calculator program. Now let's run this program and see how it is behaving. Okay, let me run this application. Okay, what I will do over here is python calculator.py. Okay, I think I'm in the wrong directory. Let me clear the screen. Let me, okay. Now the menu icons are displayed, like what all operations we have inside this calculator program. Let me go ahead with the addition operation. Let me give a float value 12.34, and let me give some another integer value. Now yeah, so our result is displayed. Now I if I would like to proceed with another addition, I can use y. Then I can give some 12.45. Okay, it will be added to 35 dot I will it will be added to 35.34, and the final result will be displayed. Now I don't like to proceed with any addition operation, then I can use n. Let's do one more operation as multiplication. Now I can give input as 23, then 40, 34. Yeah, so the result will be displayed as 782. It will do 23 cross 34. If I don't want to proceed, I can do n. And let's say if I will give any kind of invalid input as e, it will it will show me that sorry, invalid character. Now if I would like to quit, then I can just hit q button and it will exit out of this calculator program. So thank you. If you like the content, then please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.